Okay, so today I just want to talk about the display manager that I use. So I did use LightDM before this, which is great. It's a more simplistic display manager than SDDM. So the one that I've chosen, which I think it's pretty cool, is greetd-tuigreet. So TUI-greet. It's a very minimalistic display manager login screen. So yeah, let me just show you. So let me log out with my power menu that I've created in a previous video. So just check here how to create a power menu using Wofi. Look at that. I'm so proud of this power menu. I mean, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Minimalistic, simple, logout, reboot, shutdown. Uses the colors of the background, so it works perfectly with this background. I like this industrial dystopian look, and you can see that the color of the selection background matches this almost, and the color of the text. Yo, can't get enough of this logout screen, of this power menu. Anyway, let's log out. And here is tuigreet. Very simplistic, and it gives me the same look as almost like the Half-Life game, or what was that other game? But yeah, that type of look. This is what I'm going for. So it obviously asks your username and password, and then the authorized personnel only. It's a greeting that you can actually personalize. You can put anything in there. And at the bottom you see a couple of buttons. Reset, change command. So if I press F2, this is the command that you want to run immediately after you log in. So obviously it has to be start Hyprland, because this actually starts your Hyprland display manager, or your tiling manager. And okay, then choose session. Let me just say, choose session, Hyprland, obviously. If you got other display managers here, is it called display manager? Yeah, obviously, it's like a GNOME, display manager. Hyprland is the display manager, so you just choose it there. Right, and then what's nice is you can actually press F12 if you want to shut down and reboot. If you're in the login screen, escape, and that's it. Let's log in. Okay, so we're in. So let's look at the file of tuigreet that you can edit. So let's open a terminal. And that file you will find in Etsy. Let me just cd. So it's /ets/. Now, if you installed greetd and tuigreet, it might not create this folder. So you're gonna have to create this folder basically. Let's just go there, greetd, and there's the toml file. So to create this, you basically just say you just make directory. So mkdir-p greetd, that's the directory or folder in Etsy. So if you're in Etsy already, you don't have to obviously say the path, and then the and signs, and then touch to create the config.toml file in that greetd folder that you've created. So nicely in one command you can just do that. Right, and then just go to the toml file, copy obviously, so go to that file. It's gonna ask you for a password, put it in, and there's the file. So if it's not populated, you can just, I'll just leave it in the, I'll just leave this in the description. Just check for it there. This is basically just the default settings of tuigreet, greetd. Right, so just go to your default session and then command tuigreet, obviously this logout session manager, and then remember, this is all the flags that you can put in. You can actually delete them if you don't want them, but remember is once you put in your username, it will next time remember and not ask your username again. So you basically just put in the password. Asterisks, it turns your password into asterisks. If you type, you will see asterisks instead of nothing. Right, and then greeting. If you want a greeting, like I put in mine, authorized personnel only to fit my theme, but you can put anything in there. So greeting and then in quotes your message. Right, and then the width. I'm not sure. The width is probably how big your login screen thing is. And then the theme, if you want to theme it, you can leave all this out. But if you want to theme it, now tuigreet is very limited in theming. This is basically all you can do is just text color and so on. The other one that you can install that I can't remember the name now of, you can actually change the background and other things too, but I want the simplicity of tuigreet. So I just changed my, like the title yellow. I just make all this stuff yellow. So yellow is not the yellow that you've seen. It looks more orange, but this is obviously yellow. And then you get bright yellow. So the normal yellow is like orange, and the bright yellow is actually yellow. You don't get dark yellow. That's the two that you get. And obviously whatever else color you want, black, pink, or whatever. Right, so you can just change the colors here. And then, yeah, and then just cmd greeter. So just put these things in. But yeah, the theme is actually the important part. If you want to change it and make it look a bit better. So that is basically it. There's nothing else really that you can do. Let's just log out again. Hey, where's my mouse? Log out. So as you can see, this brownish orange color is actually yellow. Then this bright yellow is actually yellow, but yeah, bright yellow. But you can make it any color you want. It's obviously limited. It's just base colors. It's not mixed colors. As you can see, that it remembered my username ppk. So all I have to do is put in the password. But this looks so good. Very minimalistic, industrial type of look. Fits my theme. I should probably change the color to this greenish yellowish. But that's the thing, that tuigreet is very limited in how it can look though. But yeah, that is tuigreet for your login screen, limited login screen, or simplistic login screen, which I use and love. So yeah, like and subscribe if you like this, and see you next time. Good.